Welcome to CloudTalks. So if you'd like to tell us your name and where you're from.
Happily, yeah. My name's David Sowerbutts. I work for Oxygen Associates.
Fantastic. So what exactly do Oxygen Associates do?
We're a specialist consultancy and we also provide software. What we do for enterprise clients is we do an absolute benchmark, so a datum of all their technology infrastructure. So anything that's got an IP address or a SIM card. We don't take opinions or asset registers or anything like that. We run a profile of the company and find out the state of reality. From that point, we can apply individual strategies, be it to mobile, be it to Internet of Things, servers, software, the use of systems integrators to make the business more efficient.
Fantastic. So it's quite an opportunity to have a bit of an amnesty, understand exactly what's out there. Do you often find that actually what they think they've got and the reality are two very different things?
Very, very much so. One of the big problems that you get in an enterprise client, people say they've done an applications retirement or a server retirement program, but they haven't actually turned any of it off.
No.
So it's actually still ticking away. And we've seen things from the 60s and 70s still running away.
Wow.
Yeah, really. Things like PDPs, and if anybody here remembers such a thing. So we see
Yes.
really ancient technology that's still running, it's in the back corner of the business somewhere.
So I mean, if you were to find really antiquated technologies, do you help organisations to migrate away or consult around how they would essentially digitally transform to become a more succinct organisation?
Yeah, we do. So the starting point, as I say, is data, and then you've identified an opportunity to reduce servers or reduce licensing or make telco more efficient. Once you've got the data, it's pretty easy to build a business case, a return on investment case.
Yeah.
That justifies the project. It's then pulling in the right resources from a reseller, a distributor, a systems integrator to then apply that solution. We tend to do it in bite-sized chunks, so they're deliverable within 8 weeks, 12 weeks,
Yep.
and do it in that way.
Fantastic. So it's quite a pragmatic approach.
Has
then.
to be.
Yeah, absolutely. So what's your unique selling point? Because there's other organisations out there doing this. How do you differentiate yourselves?
I think we've been doing it for 14 years.
Oh, wow.
We've got a very long client list of people we've done across industry. We've done everything from the banks, some central government, a lot in retail, a lot in manufacturing, a whole load of case studies that we can bring to the party. And also we can do it on a risk-reward basis. So when a client contracts with us, we either do it fixed price or a small percentage of year one savings. And that's often very attractive to clients.
I was going to say, that's a really nice way of doing
Yeah.
it. So you can actually turn around and say, we will share, we will prove such value that we will actually share in the contract value.
And it de-risks it because the client knows that we're playing extremely fairly because we're motivated to get the saving.
Yeah, absolutely.
But also to stop the project when we've had the lion's share of the savings for the client and move on to the next stovepipe.
Perfect.
So say if we're doing software and then telco,
Yeah.
if we've got 98% of the saving out of the software relicensing.
So it's almost actually paying for itself once you've done the first project.
We normally aim for somewhere around about 7 to 8 weeks for the overall programme to be cost neutral to the client.
That's fantastic. Well, David, look, thank you ever so much for coming on. I think there's a really fantastic solution you've got on the platform.
Thank you.
And we'll see you again soon.
Look forward to it.
Thank you very much.